Tonight, a new system in Iowa for charter schools. Governor Reynolds signing a bill today allowing a private founding group to apply to the State Board of Education to open a new charter school. If approved for a 5-year contract, state taxpayer money would be given to the new school based on the number of students who enroll. The governor saying it's a win for every student.
It's investing in foundational priorities, and all of that, broadband, housing, daycare, mental health parity. What a huge win. We saw how important that was during the COVID. That's all a part of this package, as well as many other things. So I'm really, really proud of the bill that we were able to get passed, and just that on top of a lot of other things that we were able to do this year. It's a big year for Iowans.
State lawmakers expected to wrap up their work tonight, but not before taking votes on major legislation. Local 5's chief political correspondent at the State House tonight, Rachel Droz, with all the action is happening. And Rachel, you have been there all day, so fill us in on those major votes.
Yes, Stephanie, I've been here all day and likely will be here for most of the night. There's still a lot of action to be taken today, but one of the biggest votes taken was on the Life Amendment. Now, that's a proposed constitutional amendment that would restrict abortions in Iowa. The proposal would prohibit tax dollars from being used to fund the procedure.
In the debate on the Life Amendment, the one thing that was always missing from the opposition was any discussion about that second heartbeat, that second voice that is silenced in abortion. Because when you talk about that second life, when you have to acknowledge when life begins, the argument on the other side collapses, it evaporates.
Those opposed to the amendment say restricting women's choices is degrading.
It makes me feel as though my status as a human being is low enough and that my decisions about pregnancy and my own body isn't valid enough, that the public should vote about it on a ballot. It feels like you're making my uterus public property. Let's put our uterus up for a vote.
Now, there's still a long way to go after today's action. The current General Assembly has approved this constitutional amendment, but before the public can vote on the amendment officially, the next General Assembly, which takes office in 2023, also needs to sign off. And again, like I said, there's still a lot of work left to be done. One budget bill is left to be voted on today in the House, and there's other bills that are still working their way through. Lawmakers trying to get last-minute legislation passed before they head home for the year. I'll be up here for the remainder of the night to fill you guys in on what I'm told should be the last day of session. For now, live at the State House, Rachel Droz, Local 5 News. We are Iowa.
All right, Rachel, thank you very much.